Introducing the gas oil tanker STOLT SAGALAND.
The STOLT SAGALAND is the latest to the fleet of Stolt-Nielsen, a Dutch shipping company based in Rotterdam. The vessel was delivered in February 2008. The builder, Norway Floro in Norway, with a gross tonnage 44,044 tons, length 183.1 meters, beam 32.2 meters, and draft 11.8 meters.
STOLT tankers have all installed microplastics filters on ships to improve water quality, as part of its ongoing commitment to achieving its environmental ambitions to protecting life below water. The installation, which coincides with World Oceans Day, is an addition to the ship's existing ballast water treatment system.
She can carry crude oil, petrol, and chemicals. This is the engineering section. This is where the nozzles can be changed to carry different chemicals. Stolt-Nielsen started life as the vision of one man from a small town in Norway and grew to become the global organization and world leader that it is today. Thinking on joining our club? Then call in any Sunday or Wednesday morning. Our sailing water is Jubilee Lake, Rotten Row, Southport. Please subscribe to this channel. It's free, and you will be notified of new content.
Thanks for watching, and goodbye from me, Andrew.
And goodbye from me, Jane.